Hi, it's me again with laser tips and tricks. A couple years ago, I made a video about this box that I made, and I'll put a link to that video, but on that video, I have a Facebook page that no longer exists, and I don't have that file. But you can make any kind of box. But what it is, there's a piece of plywood laying on top of it. It's for cutting small parts out that are going to fall through your laser bed. Like I have a Epilog Fusion, and look how dirty my laser bed is. That's terrible. It's been so hot this summer, I just haven't had time to clean it. But anyway, it's to catch small pieces that are going to fall through your bed. You need at least 4 inches, because I started out, the very first one I built was just 2 inches tall. The laser beam, even going 2 inches, will char the bottom of the box and could start on fire, or if one of your pieces falls, it could damage your piece. I do this a lot, and this would really be helpful on like mother of pearl. And I even have a magnet in the lid of the box. This box overhangs a little bit, so the mother of pearl won't move. I've got slots in it in the front and the back for the airflow to go through, which may or may not be that big a deal, but the bottom is solid. But today, say if you're going to cut out a lot, so these pieces are 0.45 of an inch, not quite a half an inch. And what I did, I cut this out, and I'm going to show you how to draw that. And then I put blue painter's tape, and I just cut a solid line. So the blue painter's tape held the pieces from falling, and it actually helps you pick them up. And just for a word of warning, this backsplash is amplified because my bed is dirty. If you've got residue on your bed, you're going to get more of this than just the normal metal. But anyway, what I did, I took a 0.45 box. I set my nudge factor on a half an inch. I Control D, made a back up here. We don't want to do that. We want to take this first box, go up to object, convert it to a curve, take these two nodes, select them both, right click and break them apart. And then take your virtual segment delete key and delete this line. Now you could probably save that line. You'd have to go to object and break the curve apart, and you could save that line. Let's just do that. Let's do it that way. Now I've got my nudge factor set on that, and I'm going, well, you know what, it would have been even easier? Take this line and nudge it up, and then nudge these over, Control D. Whoop. I'm just hitting Control D and then hitting the arrow key. So you've got that many boxes, and then do the same thing here. I didn't make a duplicate. Or you could have a solid line going across there. It doesn't really matter. So then you would, maybe put these up in your laser bed. You could actually do like right here. This won't cut. And then you could cut this out. Take your tape, your blue painter's tape, and put it over the cut. And then like in my Epilog, I have a feature called, when you're in the print mode, just print selected. But if you don't, you could take the pick tool with the Alt key and select all these lines. And I would suggest just nudging them up and then nudge these down and run that job. And it's going to look like this. And it's going to save you a lot of time, because these pieces, 4 or 5, maybe 20 are going to fall in the crack, either when they're cutting or when you're picking them up. And this painter tape actually helped. I didn't do anything. I just turned the tape backwards, and there's my evidence. So pretty good little tip. And if you do, if you do whole pages of this would be the best way. But if you're just doing, I did some really little parts one time that were just going to fall, right, every one of them would have fallen through the bed. And this is, you definitely want to probably use this on mother of pearl. It just seems to work better, and it holds it better. But take your two rare earth magnets and glue one at the bottom, and then just this one's just sitting on top, going through, holding it. I've actually got two on each side. I just didn't have that for the picture. I'll put a link for this box, but just keep in mind that Facebook page is no longer available. It was hacked, and I had to get a new one. Anyway, I hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.